Hi, I'm Sri. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is interactive mode, what is script mode. In Python, we have two types of mode to create the code. One is interactive mode, another one is script mode. Using this mode, how to write the code, you will see that. Here, I'm using Python IDLE software to develop the code. So, you just go to this link, download the software and install the software in your PC. Before installation, in your installation window, you can able to see this checkbox, add path like that. You just tick that checkbox and then install the software. After installation, go to the start button and type IDLE like that. So you can able to see this type of icon and click that icon to open the shell command. So if you click that icon, you can able to see this type of shell window in your system. Here, whatever the values I'm going to give, that value will calculate immediately. It will display the output. See, I'm using 5 plus 5. It will print the output. Okay. Now, if I need to print any message, I can use the print method to print the message. How to write print within a parenthesis? We need to write double quotation, hello Python. Close double quotation and close parenthesis. We have to write it like this way and press enter. Immediately that output will display. Using variable, if you need to print message, I can use variable, and here I'm using single quotation to assign the value Sri creations. Like that, I assign one string value in name variable. So if I need to print that value, we have to use the print method to print that value like this. In the same way, in a variable, I'm going to assign 100 value now. That is an integer number. So I'm going to print that value, print a, like this. Okay, here I calculate two numbers, right? Without any print method, I just enter the value, I can get the output here. In the same way, here using print method also, we can calculate the value 50 plus 10. So I need the variable to calculate the value. Now, for that, we can use a equal to 100, b equal to 50. And using the print method, you just call a plus b. Both the value will add it and it will print the output. So I need not want to add like this way. I need to assign this both value in one variable and then I need to print the output. Now c equal to a plus b. Now you have to print the c variable to get the output. So whatever the interaction I'm going to do it in this shell command, immediately it will display the output. We are not supposed to save this file. Once you close this, our code will deleted. We are not able to get back that code again. So that is the interactive mode. Okay. Next we will see the script mode. What is the difference between this interactive mode and the script mode? This is a file system. We can save that file in separate location. Whenever we need, we can directly open that file. We can execute the code. No need to write the code again and again. So next I'm going to show that only. Now you understand the interactive mode. Next we will go to the script mode. Okay. Now again I'm using shell window to open the script mode file. So how to open the script mode? Go to the file menu, click new file. So you can able to get the script mode file like this. This is untitled. And here we have to write the code. Okay. So whatever the code you written here, you just after completing this code, you just go to the save button and save the file in one separate location. Okay. After completing the code, you just go to the run menu, click the run menu button, and whatever the output we are having for that code, you can able to get that output in the shell window. Okay. So now I'm not going to use this window. I'm already having one existing file. Okay. See, I already created script code like that. So I'm going to use this file and I'm going to run the code. So see, this code is already created. Okay. So this code, how to add two number like that, I created one code. Here I am getting the runtime input for A variable and B variable. So I enter first number, second number like that I already returned. I calculate the value. I can get the output for that. Okay. So this code is already written. No need to write it again and again. Okay. And I saved in my location. So whenever I need, I can go to this location. I can open that file directly. I can execute it. So how to execute? So using this run menu, click the run button, your file automatically displaying the output here. Here we have enter first number. So whatever the number you need to enter, you can enter the number here. Okay, so you can get the output. Okay, now I'm going to write the code 2. So for the code 2, no need to delete this previous code. You just put it in a command line like this way. This is my code 2. And here I'm going to print the message. How to write? Okay. String creation. Like that I written. This is my code 2. So no need to delete the previous code. That is also in that same file. And now I'm writing one more code in this file. Just directly I'm going to run this. See, I can get the output. So this is a script mode. Okay. Now I'm going to write another code. So using double quotation also we can write it in a multi-command line. Here I used a single code, right? In the same way we can write the multi command line using double quotation also. Okay, this is another way. So for that only I shown here. And now I'm going to write the code 3. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to check the age. Okay, if the person is eligible or not. So for that, I'm using name variable. I need to get the runtime input. Okay, so enter name. Like that, I'm getting the runtime input. And after that, I'm going to get the age. So whatever the input we are getting in the shell command, that is a string. So we have to convert that string value to integer value. Then only we can check that age value, whether the age is greater than 18 or not. So for that only I'm converting that value here. Input, enter age. So like this, we have to get the runtime input. Okay. And after that, I'm going to print the name and the age. Okay, first we will run this code. See, I'm getting the enter name like that message in our shell. And whatever the name you need to write it, you can write any name and age. So here it is the input and we are getting the output here. Okay. Now using this age, I'm going to check whether the person is eligible or not. So how to write? I'm going to write the if else condition. If age is greater than 18, colon, greater than 18, colon, print person is eligible. Else, print person is not eligible. Like this we have to print it. Okay. Now we'll run. So I'm going to give the age term 20. Person is eligible. Now again I'm going to run the code. Ram 5. Person is not eligible. Okay. So like this it will print the output. Okay. Now in this file, see, I'm having 3 codes, right? This is code 1. This is code 2 and code 3. So all the codes are available in this file. What is the file name? Scriptcode.py. Py is the extension for the Python language. Okay. So this is the script mode. Okay. So now you get the difference between what is script mode, what is interactive mode. I hope you understand about the interactive mode and the script mode. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts in your code, please ask me in a comment. I will reply it. Thanks for watching.